This is Audible.
Alexander Hein presents Master the Day. Eat, move, and live better with the power of daily habits. This is the author.
Acknowledgements. First, to my parents for dealing with me trying to figure out my own painful process of reaching my goals, and to everyone else who's struggling to try to figure out how to get from where they are to where they want to be. And thank you, of course, to all the readers, listeners, and subscribers. I do this for you. The elephant in the room. What nobody wants to tell you about looking and feeling incredible. What you're about to learn are the facts I discovered after interviewing and studying dozens of people that lost over 100 pounds naturally, without diet fads, and kept it off years later. These principles transform much more than just a person's health, and they aren't just abstract ideas I made up after an aha moment in the shower one day. They're also based on, could you please leave your honest thoughts as a review on Amazon or on Audible? That'd mean the world to me. Thank you so much again for listening if you've made it this far. Also, I've got a whole bunch more resources, and I also mentioned if you go to modernhealthmonk.com, that's MODERNHEALTHMONK, like a meditating monk.com/book. I've got some bonus resources for you there, including 2 hours of bonus training and a sit-down case study with one of my successful students and friends. So make sure you come on over and do modernhealthmonk.com/book. Come on over there to check out the bonus training.
Audible hopes you have enjoyed this program.